Now, from what I said in the other video, I said that this is a semicircle that doesn't have complete lines. And if it doesn't have complete lines, the perimeter or the circumference is very simple. I say that the circumference, we just come and write circumference is equals to pi times diameter, then multiplied by a half. Anyhow, somebody else might say a half times pi times d. It's correct. But for me, I wish we could use pi times diameter times a half. Now, let's see. For instance, you have been given diameter here to be 14 meters. How do you solve this? You come and say 22 over 7 times 14 meters times 7 times a half. Can you see that? Times a half. Then after that, we are going to, let me divide this. We are going to solve or simplify 7 and 14. 7 and 14 can be simplified in a way that 7 here 1, 7 here 2. Over there. But these 2 and these 2 can be simplified. So 2 divides to 1, it divides to 1. So if you look at that calculation, what you are remaining with is 22 times 1 times 1, which is just 22 meters. So the circumference of that semicircle is 22 meters. Let me just make a line there. Good. Let's see another. Assume that you have been given this one as 28 centimeters. You say circumference is equals to pi times diameter times a half. Now, what is our pi? Our pi, we have said it is a constant number, which is 22 over 7. 22 over 7 times 28 centimeters times a half. 7 can divide 7, 1 can divide 28, 4. 2 can divide 4. So 2 can divide here 1, divides 4, 2. So what do you have? You have 22 times 2, which gives you 44. It gives you 44 what? Centimeters. Gives you 44 centimeters. Are we there? Now finally we have the last one there, which is easy question. How? Let's say this one is 21 meters. I want you to try this. I want you to try this and see if you get it. Try this if you get it. I want you to get the circumference. Get the circumference, use pi times diameter times a half. Then you will see later. Let's go direct to another question. Another question. Another question is the circumference of this one. So what if it is that and we have put here 14 meters? You use the same formula, but you add d. Circumference is equals to pi times b times a half plus b. What is it? Let's go. You get 22 over 7 times 14 times a half. plus diameter. We put the diameter later. So this is multiplication and this addition. So 7 here, 1, here, 2. These 2 can cancel this one. So you still have 22 plus D. 22 plus D. What is our D? Our D is diameter. The diameter is 14. So you come and say 22 plus 14. What do you get? You get 36 meters. You get 36 meters. That is 36 meters. Let's try another one. We are given another one. Maybe 21 centimeters. Step number 1, C is equals to pi times diameter times a half plus diameter plus diameter plus diameter. What will you get? 22 over 7 times 21 times a half plus diameter. 7 here, 1, 7 here, 3. 2 cannot go into 3. But 2 can go here, 1 can go into 22, 11. 11 times 3 is 33. That is 33. Then plus D. Over there. So 33, D is 21 plus 21. You have 54 centimeters. 54 centimeters. That's how you should do it. So please, please, please differentiate between a semicircle that has a broken line and the one that has complete line. These are two different semicircles that when you get the circumference, this one you must add the diameter again, but this one you just do it as simple as it is. Pi d times a half. But this one we do pi d times a half plus d. The circle we said it is just pi d. Are you there? Good. Hope you have understood this one. When we meet again, I'm going to talk about the circumference of a quarter circle and 3/4 of a circle. If you have any query, please don't hesitate. Send it on my WhatsApp number 0785756255 and I will work on it. Thank you very much. This is brec.tvonline and I was your teacher, Kisikite1. I believe you understood. Take care, stay safe, stay at home. Make sure you learn day after day. Next episode will be on science and I'll be talking about soils. So be ready and wait. Don't worry. Thank you. Bye.